Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to make a website on Wix for affiliate marketing. So first go to apps, then type here affiliate. Then we have many options here like OSI affiliate, simple affiliate, Go Off Pro affiliate marketing, Zonify Amazon, Amazon, share a sale. But I will choose Amazon. Then click add it. Now this is a look like with a name, price, then the buy now option. So now go to settings here, then add item. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.